Hello, my name is Courtney and welcome back to my channel. I know right off the bat I have been gone for so freaking long from this channel. I've also noticed that I have gained subscribers actually as I've been away, and I want to say thank you so much for at least believing in me by subscribing. You know that I would come back, but yes, I am back. The main part of me being gone is not knowing what videos to film. Like, I basically have I've been filming videos for so long, off and on, to the point where I don't even know what videos to film anymore. I don't know what you guys want to see. I really don't know what's really interesting, like, to film in the beauty part of YouTube, so I really don't know. But today I'm actually coming to you guys with an unboxing video because I did receive a PR. I know one is a PR box from Juno Co and the other two are influencer boxes, and I did want to share that with you guys and just show you guys, and then we can talk about it, and then I can film looks, and I don't know, I just want to have fun. I miss having fun on here. I remember when it used to be really fun and ideas used to just come to me and we would talk, and then it just felt normal. Now it just feels, I don't know how it feels. But yeah, I'm trying to get like to that point where everything just feels great. So let's get to these unboxings. Here is all of the boxes. I'm going to start off with the Juno Co PR box side. It does look like this. I have opened the products. I have seen what's inside this box because I did do an Instagram like stories type of thing. Anything that you see inside this box, or if you go on Juno Co's website and you like anything, I am a rep for them or affiliate. You can get 10% off of your purchase if you use the code Courtney. So if you use my name, CORTNEY, you can get 10% off. I will have all that information in the description box, and if everything goes right, it'll be on the screen. We did get some sponges. So we got the Rose Velvet Sponge, the Lavender Velvet Sponge, and the Lemon Drop, and of course their first sponge, the OG sponge, the Microfiber Velvet Sponge. So out of all these sponges, I have used, of course, the OG sponge and the Rose Sponge. I do have these like like in my collection type of thing. I do use the original, of course, like on a daily basis. But I haven't tried these two sponges. I mean, they all, of course, the sponges, they all look the same, but they are not. Of course, they all have the like microfiber to the sponges, but the Lavender Velvet Sponge, this one is 50% softer than the original sponge, and the Lemon Drop is 30% softer than the original. So these are softer than the original, and I haven't had these. The next thing we received are some brushes. I of course already have these brushes, but they are going to work perfectly with the next product, and I'm also going to save these brushes for the video because I will be filming a video and showing you guys how the products work and how I use them and stuff like that. So these will definitely come in handy because they're clean, because I need to actually clean all my brushes, but that is a whole other thing. These two are the two new products. So there's what one of them looks like, and here's what the other one. So we are going to get into the first one. This is the eyeshadow palette, and it's called the Juno Starlit Eyeshadow Collection. So like I said, there is 3 eyeshadow palettes in this collection. I did get Goddess, but look at that packaging. Like, the packaging, and this is just the box packaging. Wait till you see the real packaging. Okay, so let me open this. Here is what it looks like. It is super beautiful. Like a mirrored effect. And like I did say, this is the Goddess one. So this is like the orange the like orangey yellow browns, and then there's another one which is more purpley tones, and then there's another one which is blue. Or what the colors look like. Can swatch them for you. So we're gonna swatch. I'm gonna start with the yellow, and that is what they look like. Hopefully you guys can see that. That is me going lightly over the shadows. So they are very, very pretty. Next one is the Juno Co Cheek Defining Kit in Margarita, and this is what the packaging looks like. Well, the box packaging looks like this, which is pretty, but this is the actual palette packaging. Isn't that gorgeous? When it comes to these products, these are vanity like worthy. Like if you like to have all your products staying on top of your vanity, these are definitely worth it. And inside it has a full mirror, but these are what the shades look like. Isn't that beautiful? So yes, there's that. We will definitely be digging into these and doing a look and figuring out what works best for me and my skin tone, and then, you know, playing around with it that way. Maybe I'll do like a first impressions, probably. We will see. But that being said, that is all of the products in this PR box, and like I said before, you can use the code Courtney and you can get 10% off your order. I will have everything in the description box below to make it easier. The next box is from Influencer. This is their Dove box. I think it's Dove Amplified box with a little card type of thing to tell you what the products are, and this is what it looks like inside. I'm from Dove. But they're actually for textured hair. You have coily hair, coily, making sure I say that right, coily, curly, or wavy. These products will work perfect for you. 3 products. So I got a shampoo. This is what the shampoo looks like, and it comes with a pump. I like that. A conditioner. It also comes with a pump. There is the finishing gel, which comes with a pump type of thing. So all these came with pumps, which I really like that about product, especially something that you'll be using in the shower. You don't need to be doing all that like pick up squeeze, like pumping. Perfect. So let's go over what these do. So the first one is the shampoo. So the shampoo is sulfate free, paraben free, no dyes, and it's color safe. It's, like I said, for coily, curly, and wavy hair conditioner, and the conditioner says super slip detangler, and the conditioner is paraben free, dye free, and it's color safe. It does not say that it is sulfate free, which the sulfates not come in conditioners. I'm not sure. But for the detangling conditioner, it says it moisturizes and detangles all kinds of coil, oh my gosh, all types of curls, coils, and waves. The formula infused with coconut milk provides great slip for a quick comb through. So that is the conditioner. And then the next product from the Dove Amplified Texture line is a finishing gel, and this is for shine and moisture. This one says it's paraben free, dye free, and color safe for curl and wavy hair. And this one on the notes says it's alcohol-free formula that noticeably enhances all kinds of natural curls and waves. This formula infused with aloe works to reduce frizz and hydrates curls. Provides hair with a light all-day hold without all the flakes and crunching. Leaves hair feeling moisturized, shiny, and healthy looking. So I will be testing all of these on my hair, and telling you guys what I think about them, and I'll also be testing them on my daughter's hair, who has more of the coil type of hair. I'm like it's more curly than mine. The last package is also from Influencer, and it's from BareMinerals, and this is their BareMinerals, the Power of Good new skin longevity long life herb serum. So it is a serum. It looks like this inside. The packaging is absolutely, like the display packaging, it's completely beautiful. So it does give like a little pamphlet of everything it does, and it says we are 100% paraben free, sulfate free, formaldehyde free, chemical free, sunscreen free. Yeah, they're like free of everything, even cruelty free. And when it comes to the product, this is what the packaging looks like. And this is the BareMinerals, like I said, skin longevity long life herb serum. So yes, this is a serum. It says apply to face and neck after cleansing for the AM and the PM. So you would use this in the morning and at night. I need to get started on that because I think it takes like 4 weeks, if I'm not mistaken, to see results, which makes sense because usually any type of skincare is going to take like a full month for you to actually see the full effect. So yes, I also have noticed this when it came to taking this off. I was like looking at the top, because if you look at the top, like the way that looks, it looks like it would be like a thing that you would twist this up, and then like, you know, like this part would like pop up and then you can like squeeze. No, I've been sitting here like trying to figure out how to open this or how to get that up, even though that's not how it works. You take this part off and then you do it. Isn't that crazy? Or maybe that's just me. I don't know, but that is all of the packaging and the products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.